Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix unable to load camera rule messenger problem on 2026. See, this is a problem, so let's solve this problem. Okay, let's start the video. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Now find messenger here and search icon. Now search for messenger apps. Now tap on messenger. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now go back and tap on force stop and OK. Now tap on permission and enable all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your messenger apps. Search icon, now search for messenger apps. Now tap on messenger. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now go to your messenger apps. Now tap on camera. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.